the universal, which is common to all of us, which binds us together, that must also be all attractive, isn't it? And that quality of attraction in Sanskrit means Krishna. Sarva akarshati iti Krishna. So, if we ourselves as a minute particle of that spirit is so attractive, then our source must be all attractive. So we address that, which we can say energy, we can say our source, we can say God. We address the Vedic tradition addresses that as Krishna. Attraction is also not sectarian, by the way. So Krishna means in Sanskrit all attractive. And Rama means one who gives pleasure. We all are seeking pleasure in our life. In whatever experiences we have, we seek some pleasure or satisfaction. And it is this source of ours which actually has the potential to give full pleasure and satisfaction. None of the worldly things give us lasting pleasure, isn't it? We all have experience to greater or a smaller degree. And the energy, the universal energy which actually makes everything work, everything function, that is addressed as Hara or Hare. So this mantra has essentially three names: Hare, Krishna and Rama. So the prayer, this mantra is arranged in a form of a prayer, and the prayer is that, O energy of the all attractive and the giver of all pleasure, my supreme source, please engage me in meaningful activities and service. And actually, that is the aim of our life, to serve. The moment we start seeking service or pleasure from others, we start the journey of misery. But the more you are trying to serve someone selflessly, the more we realize happiness. So this is the prayer, and now we will start our session of chanting these prayers, singing this prayer, and the process will be that we will maintain our awareness when Madhvacharya Prabhu, he chants, he sings the prayer. So we all will, with great attention, hear the words and hear the melody, and then we will reciprocate. So energy is the rule of energy is that it's give and take, right? Energy is never stagnant, it is always active. So we will have this reciprocal session that he chants first, we hear, and then we will chant and he will hear, right? So let us participate fully. At some point of time, initially we will sit and we will chant, and at some point of time we will start also dancing, immerse ourselves fully in the prayer, right? So this is the session that we will have for the next half an hour. And when we start dancing, so there is a particular way. I mentioned that we will have a slower dance initially, and then when the tempo picks up, then it's up to all of you. So Krishna Seva Prabhu, he will show what are the steps that we will take. We all dance in the same fashion, so in that sense we all will be very much together. So when Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Hare